Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Aaron Truth. In today's video I'm going to look at how to add two accounts on WhatsApp on the same application. So kindly just follow the video as I do. This method is very easy because WhatsApp has added a new feature where you can use two accounts on the same app without using multiple space or any other external software. So kindly stick along and follow along. Thank you. And please kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I know I've not been posting much, but please bear with me.